Time for a little mail call. These mail calls are pretty unscripted, so bear with me. You never know what I might say or do during these. So this is a Grail call. What that means is that this is something that I've been looking for a while, that's hard to find and super expensive usually. And oh, damn, that is in there now. All right, starting to get some clues here to the puzzle on the front of this box. They've done some fancy artwork. Pretty nice boxing that they did. When you ship something this heavy, I think this thing's like 40 pounds. It's always good to wrap it in some bubble wrap really tight, then wrap it in some cardboard or whatever you have, and then put it in another box, because if you don't do that, it's going to slop around inside there and end up damaging something. And of course this is an expensive purchase. So, excuse me, this had shipped out, I think last Wednesday, and they immediately gave me, of course coming from California, but they immediately gave me a delivery date of Monday. Well, along the way, it ended up sitting in somewhere else in California a little bit longer than it was supposed to. Then the delivery date ended up back on Tuesday. Well, they wrapped this pretty good. It's got a blanket or a sheet or something around it. So anyway, I got a notification yesterday, or day before yesterday I should say, that it would be here on Monday. But then yesterday I noticed in the morning when I got up that the tracking showed that it was still in Missouri, and I'm in Illinois. And I was like, there's no way that that's going to make it here today. Hope they didn't want that sheet back. Well, I'm getting all kinds of Home Depot stuff here. If it doesn't take you a while to unbox something expensive, then the seller didn't take their time. That's all I'm saying. Whew. Oh. Anyway, in the 80s, this was the king. This was the ultimate. These things were over $500, I think, brand new. And if you wanted to own one, you probably needed to be the Beastie Boys or somebody, LL Cool J, because, geez, getting there. I'm trying to hurry a little bit because I know when I'm doing a video, I don't like them to run super long. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube that people just take their sweet time, and I'm like, hurry up, get in there, I want to see it, you know. So with my excitement, I'm trying to get it in there a little bit. Looks like there's a tarp in here too. I could use a tarp. Oh, dang sheet stuck to me. Alright, here we go. But anyway, this is a Grail item, and it's like Christmas morning for me. And I didn't think I would actually get one of these, because I, more or less, when I started messing with the Boomboxes, I thought that I would just pick up a couple of the cheaper ones and, you know, kind of stay there. But typically, I should know myself better than that by now and know that I'm going to want the coolest one that they had if I'm collecting. Oh, it's not a tarp, it's a thing to put in your window when you park your car, I think. Whatever it is, they did a nice job wrapping. I'm probably going to send the video to the person I bought it from. I appreciate him working with me. On an expensive purchase like this, I requested lots of photos, video. I mean, he showed me like a piece of mail with his real name on it and things like that. Because you just can't be too safe these days online. Wow. Oh my God. All right, here we go. We're cranking her around. There it is. This is it. The ultimate in boomboxes. I'm going to pop the I'm going to fire it up here in a second. See how she works. This is a JVC M90, RC M90 boombox.